ourselves, okay? We've been preparing it all evening. And as you know, hot pots take a lot of work. So we've been doing, fixing it, okay? And getting ready. So now we are ready to eat, okay?
Yeah.
So we have a little bit of everything, y'all, okay? So I'm going to do the vegetables, and Ray, you can explain on your side, and Malcolm, you explain on your side. Okay. We have lime. We have Thai basil. We have baby bok choy. We have crab balls, shrimp balls, jalapeno, broccoli, American broccoli, ramen noodles, and rice noodles. Okay? We have kimchi, soy sauce, Hussein sauce, and General Thai sauce. Okay? Malcolm, you go explain yours. And water, y'all.
I have the tempura. Is it tempura?
Yes.
Tempura sushi.
Yes.
Hey, that's pretty much it.
Okay. And Daddy or Jamal, y'all can explain y'all's.
Over here, we have boiled eggs, we have beef, thin beef slices, we have dumplings, we have shrimp, we have prawns with the head on, we have a seafood mix with like crabs and octopus and shrimp and squid, and we have spicy tofu and spam.
Yes.
And we have cilantro and water.
And the sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah.
And
And-
double spicy dynasty
sesame
sauce.
oil and what is this?
2 times spicy Samyang sauce.
Samyang sauce.
Yes. And the pot is hot pot. Yeah, hot pot. Spicy pot. Oh, and we have kimchi. If I didn't say that. Okay, kimchi. Okay? So now we're going to say our prayers and get to eating.
Mhm.
Yep. Lord, bless this food. About to receive it. Bless our body in name. Bless the hands to prepare. Bless the one we watching. Bless the one reading. Amen.
Amen. And this will be Jamal's first time doing hot pot. Right, Jamal?
Yeah, the first time trying it.
Yes, and this is our second time, y'all, because we did one on an earlier video, but we didn't have as much. Okay, so that's it. So we still learning ourselves, but yeah. So what you do is you just put in the pot what you want to eat.
Yeah, we
Okay.
had a little board
Yeah.
this time. Last time we didn't have the shrimp balls and the fish balls or the
Well,
seafood
why y'all
mix.
still talking?
All the ball eggs. Okay, go ahead. And did y'all say shaved beef? We have shaved
Yeah,
beef.
shaved beef, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Just cut.
Yes,
Oh, you
already
wanna try it
sliced.
too?
Yeah.
Yeah, just pass it around. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna try the
And we have
California rolls. That's
chopsticks.
tempura roll 1st. We got that from Sam Club, y'all. But all the other things came from the international market. And y'all know it's what's that ginger? You have ginger up there if you want to put it on there.
that wasabi.
Oh.
No, that ain't wasabi. That's ginger. They ain't put no
I didn't
wasabi
see
in it.
wasabi.
Yeah.
Ain't no wasabi on it.
And this is the hot pot cooking. Ooh.
No.
And it's spicy, y'all. I got scallions in it, garlic, what I added, mushrooms.
You know ginger.
So, but everything else came with the hot pot.
Yeah. You know ginger's supposed to like reset the flavor.
Yeah, people say it resets it, yes. And they eat it and then try it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, eat that and then if they want to try a different dish, they'll eat that. They'll say clean their palate, something like that.
Yep. So, yeah, like different sushi, so you eat ginger between it.
Oh, that too.
That's good, man.
Yeah. And
John
Malcolm,
looked it out.
yes, Malcolm purchased this, y'all.
But I think that California bro better.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
And but he didn't. Okay, yeah.
That'll taste pretty good right there.
It does. Let me try it. And it's cooked, y'all. Cooked sushi.
Yeah, I don't like
I actually like raw sushi better. And then sashimi.
I'm scared of raw sushi.
I don't use chopsticks. This is broke apart, but it's still good.
My burger too. You tried ginger? Wait, that's my ginger. I need to get ginger. I haven't had any ginger.
Oh, there it is. Get that one.
Have every time.
And we hungry, y'all. We stayed our appetite for this.
I tried some of the kimchi.
Oh, yeah.
fell apart.
Ginger got on my nose, so.
They say they got that wasabi.
Yeah, it does wasabi.
Mhm.
The kimchi smells good.
Maybe it's mixed in there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're breaking apart.
Just sample some. Sampling the whole jar.
I don't have some yet. I didn't want to leave this in there, but I guess you can just, lay it here? I don't want it to, where y'all put it at? Just leave it here till y'all get ready to use it?
Yeah, it's in the pot right there.
Okay.
Do you guys like kimchi?
I never got to toss some glass noodles before it get too hard.
Oh, yeah, we had that before happen to us.
But they hard quick.
Yes, they do. Michael, do you want kimchi?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, that's good, Malcolm, the
Yeah,
sushi.
also guys can leave in the comment section if you guys ever tried hot pot before. And if you have, what's your favorite part of hot pot, like favorite ingredient to go into it?
Did everybody want some rice noodles on their side?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna put them on both sides. This for hot pot, y'all, comes with a divider. Okay? So you can use spicy or plain, but we using spicy on both sides because we like spice. And this is the rice noodles. And they get hard very fast if you don't leave them, if they don't stay refrigerated.
With the air fryer here.
Mm-hmm. Did y'all want to put it all in there? The
Yeah,
rice
might as
noodles?
well.
Yeah, might as well.
It's
Mhm.
gonna get hard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know, we just dip some out as we go
Like
along.
There
the
you go.
kimchi.
You like the kimchi?
Oh, I always like this.
Excuse me. Okay, I pretty much got all of that out. Okay. And anything else, y'all just get what you want. I want to try some of them noodles with my kimchi. I'm gonna be in there a few minutes. And I got jalapeno peppers in here, y'all. And put some bok choy in there. You just put in what y'all want now. Y'all just go in and start fixing it.
Mm-hmm. And then for the,
Oh, okay, here goes a spoon.
I also try to tongue, I think it's fine. Easier.
Oh, okay, go ahead. I'll take another one of those,
Sushi.
yeah. Look at, they don't take long to cook, y'all, see? And that's a green
No.
scallion, Jamal. I have Brazilians too, y'all, seasoning.
Are you to eat the scallion or is that
You
just
want
for
that?
seasoning?
Okay.
Is the scallion for to be eaten or just for seasoning?
It was both, okay? Jamal, you didn't want no more, did you?
Of what?
Japanese, the sushi.
No, fine.
Okay, cause Malcolm wanted the last one, I would've, okay, gave it to you.
I'll try one of the balls.
Put it in there, honey.
I'll try one of these.
Yeah, that's how I go, hot pot, put in what you want.
And then I'll try one of the tofu. Try beef. You guys can
Kimchi
see.
tastes pretty good too.
Yeah, beef.
If this kimchi tastes pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Then you guys can see the tofu. Let's
And
see.
that sauce does hit you. The spicy sauce, it really is spicy.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Then I'll try one of the octopus.
And we got
You guys can see. Octopus.
That's some little noodles.
we got jalapeno in there too. That's the noodles in there, y'all.
Yeah, I did that. Sorry for that, doctor.
Oh, it's fine.
And I can use y'all fork too or something that's gonna use that to get it out.
I'm trying to get the fork. I mean, what? Them trying to get noodles?
Yep.
I don't know what the noodles are.
They in there somewhere.
I gotta find what I put in there.
Yeah, that's how you do it, get lost.
Okay, I'm gonna get the butter. It's the butter shit.
I guess it's the fish bowl. I think that's probably.
And And we got it on the hot, what we got it on the,
Got fish ball too.
what did we have it on, Daddy?
What?
Cooking that, hot pot on the, hot plate. Malcolm,
350.
let's see, do I wanna just pass it over there to you, or just
Just put it in there.
put it in there for you?
Yeah.
That'll be easier.
I had a squid in here somewhere. Alright. I don't know how to
Small
find
drop
that.
of noodles. We can use that. It's easy to get out. Oh yeah, the kimchi
I don't know how I
tastes
can
good.
find the octopus.
Do you put beef in there for me?
That's hard to find.
Just put multiple ones in there. That'd be easy.
I don't think I can find the octopus one right now. It's in there somewhere. Oh, this is not tofu. I can't find that one.
I've never done sugar.
Mhm.
I don't wanna reach over
Go ahead, baby. Just- They got all the spatulas are gone. Where y'all forks at? Just put it in there too, man.
Yeah.
Using our hands here because we ain't got but.
So much
Yeah.
silverware.
Malcolm, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit of everything off in there. What else you want in there, Malcolm? I'm gonna put some broccoli in mine.
That's different ones that have different sauces.
What happened to this? It ain't open. It ain't working.
I closed it.
Okay, you know how to open it.
Oh
You
yeah,
closed
close
it.
that thing up. The little ring.
Oh, we never knew that. That's what closed it. We was using a rubber band. Get out of here, Jamal. Dad was using a rubber band. Told me put a rubber band. We never learned how to use it.
Where the spoons go? Where the spoons go? Oh,
I thought y'all knew that already.
No. Malcolm, I'm gonna put a
I
little
don't
bit of
wanna-
everything in there for us,
But-
okay?
okay.
I don't
You
want
want a
the
rice ball,
Chinese.
Malcolm? Put
Yeah.
one in there for us too.
Yeah, I had lost some of my seafood mix.
With some mushrooms in there. And y'all know we got lime over here.
Don't put that in there.
Okay. Malcolm, I got this for us, right?
Yeah.
I tried the shrimp.
Okay, that's what me and Mother. Y'all got that up high enough?
200 or 300.
Okay.
Put it
Oh
up
yeah, that's pretty.
Hey, tofu's good.
Yeah, I want to try some of them tofus. Put a
Put some
tofu.
in there.
Yeah, you did that for everybody?
No, you put none in there at all.
Who egg is that? Yours,
Yeah.
Daddy?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Don't overfill it though.
Put some on that side. We'll find it, Daddy. Is that up high enough? Sorry.
So you guys can see the fish
Look,
ball.
Daddy, this how this works. Jamal just showed us. We had a rubber band on it.
I went right.
We had a rubber band on it closing the thing. Look. You pull it up and close it.
Oh,
All
All them years. Look, that's why that ring is there, y'all.
that's all the way just something you hanging up on the wall with.
I know, I said Jamal broke it.
All them years.
We're using a rubber band, y'all.
What a fish ball tastes like? What a fish ball tastes like? I tried that.
I ain't tried it yet. They in here, Malcolm. I'm gonna let me and yours cook.
Yeah, I thought y'all knew that. I know y'all didn't know that the entire time.
Huh? I'm trying to
It's
find
like
something.
close. You don't need rubber band.
Then we got it up
Yeah.
high. Right over your chest.
So. No, I said I think the beef is the
Yeah, that's why I'm looking for the beef.
was
I'm
over
gonna
here.
need me one.
Mine, little tits.
I'll
I
have a
had
buck.
a shrimp. That's
Okay, that's your shrimp?
Mhm.
Okay, who buck choy?
I had 2 shrimps in there.
Okay.
But then I got both my buck toys out. I thought I had 2.
Okay, Malcolm, did you get a buck choy?
Yeah, I had one.
Okay, I got my one. I'm getting more scallions than anything. Okay. Anybody who put a dumpling?
I did. I put,
Because I didn't.
put a
Okay.
couple of dumpsters in there.
Oh, that's your
I had
egg,
one-
Dad.
I had a dumpling in there on this side.
Yeah.
Well, how about, why are people using one side?
I don't know, Malcolm.
Well, somebody use that side. And
I'm using this side.
I thought Daddy and Malcolm gonna use this side, me and you that side. But Daddy on both sides.
that because I
It don't matter.
So
Yes, it
we
does.
use
It's confusing. Y'all just much
Yeah, no.
stuff
I'm trying to get
going
some
around.
noodles. I'm
Know
taking
what
five
we
on
need.
noodles.
There's more noodles over here.
I'm trying to-
Look at that big old buck choy. Who is that, Daddy?
That's broccoli. I ain't got no broccoli.
I'll take it.
Oh, that's my. I put broccoli in there.
I had some broccoli too.
Me
I
too.
put 2 in there.
Okay.
Nah, that's not that.
Jamal, you want that one? I can make another one.
What?
I could.
Yeah, I had 2 in there.
Okay, it's more broccoli.
Yeah, I had 2.
Malcolm, okay, you want another one?
Mhm.
Malcolm, what happened to yours?
Mm-hmm.
You need
Yeah. Did you want to see the shrimp? Is the shrimp ready? Or?
Yeah, get it out, Jamal.
Spicy
I'm gonna
too.
put, Daddy, you and Malcolm, Jamal use that side, okay? And me and Malcolm using this side, all right?
So what now?
Daddy, you and Jamal use that side. Me and Malcolm using this side.
Okay.
Cause me and Malcolm crab ball gone too that I put over there.
Mm-hmm.
I had crab.
Oh gosh,
No,
Jamal.
no, kissing nobody.
Oh, it's hungry. It ain't running away, Jamal. It's all right. Malcolm is in here. Here, bring your bowl over,
What's
man.
that? Butter sugar?
Crab ball.
Oh, okay.
Y'all just that's what it is. Y'all just put it in there.
I remember when
It
you
ain't
had it in
you
there.
eat.
I'm scared to eat
Yes.
fish ball. What it tastes like?
I haven't had one yet. Okay. Y'all know we got
And I've been waiting a long time to try this crab boil.
yeah, he is.
Because that looks
Do I-
exciting.
Now one of them
Okay. Hey Daddy, can you do a favor for me and Malcolm?
Whose buck toy is that?
It's not mine. I have mine over here.
Well,
Yeah,
I'll
can
take it then.
Can you put a beef in there for me, Daddy, on me and Malcolm's side, and a shrimp?
I don't like the fish ball. That's it's
On our side. And it tastes.
too fishy.
It's got beef and front. One each.
That's oh, I never got my dumpling
And
now.
tofu.
You want to see the dumpling?
Yes, man. I like one of each, Dad. Tofu too.
Someone took my,
And a dumpling.
I need to put a dumpling in there also.
I need dumpling too.
Or two on our side. Yeah,
I
put it in
I
there.
had lost the dumpling.
I'm gonna try tofu.
I lost the butt.
And one of each, Dad, and
You
one
gotta
that
kind of
mixed
see what it looks
seafood.
like. The hot pot.
Thank you, Dad. That's one of each of everything, Daddy.
Yes, I don't know. I just
Mhm.
picked this.
And y'all know y'all have sesame seed oil if you need it.
Let's go with the fish ball. We did with the fish ball.
They got that too.
Look good.
The
You
rock.
like it?
Yeah,
Really?
I'm gonna stop. Yeah, it's good.
No, I did.
Yeah, Dad, I like some of that Roger. And y'all have some Asian sauce here.
I'll pass that now.
You want that? This is spicy.
Yeah, let me try some
Pass
of
that
that.
to Dad.
It's
You know,
broccoli.
try it.
I'm sorry, I can't tell.
This shrimp,
It's broccoli.
whatever sauce this is good.
Depends on how you want it.
That's the, what
That's the
sauce?
Hussein sauce.
Yeah, this same sauce is good.
Here, pass that back. Here, Dad, and let me have the Asian sauce. Take the Hussein
Jamal, pass it, right?
and get that back over there. Yeah, that's the Hussein sauce, Jamal. With this, y'all just put in what you like. And that's the sesame. Malcolm, let me see that sesame oil. Thank you, Dad. And some of that two times spicy. Yeah, just get it.
You know that dumpling is ready?
Yeah, I can tell the dumplings are ready.
Okay, that's me and Malcolm's side, so we know I was eight because we just put it in there. And I also have lime, y'all. If y'all want to squeeze some
No,
lime.
no, it's fine.
Okay. Let me see. How we gonna cook it, Malcolm? Let me see how I use that.
Spam. That's some spam.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
did you
yeah,
put me a
forgot.
spam in, Dad?
They put me in spam too.
Put me and Malcolm a
I
spam
think we
in.
did one too.
And just gonna put two in you and Jamal's side.
You bet one.
Anybody want some green onions, Malcolm,
Yeah.
me and you?
Mm-hmm.
I think I already had one.
Oh, look, we got Thai basil.
What's that? You eat that?
Yes.
I think I put too much general Thai sauce in my food.
Yeah, eat that, Malcolm.
Do you get broccoli?
No, I'm waiting for it to cook.
Okay.
Y'all still got it on?
What the dumpling?
One is mine, one is
Is
yours.
this cooked?
Yeah, that's cooked because it's flappy.
Okay, I was making sure.
Yeah.
Hard to tell. I never had. I don't cook that.
It's still on.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's really cooked.
Mm-hmm. And the beef is done too, Malcolm. You want your beef?
Yeah.
And the spam, Daddy just put it in. I'll take a mushroom too. What about one of these crab cake? One of these crabs, Malcolm?
Yeah, I think that too.
Okay, let me get mine out because I'm getting peppers everywhere. Wait a minute, let me put that.
Yeah, I'm not trying to get the peppers.
Okay. Did you get a broccoli? Malcolm?
The butt choy is good.
Thank you. Yes, that's our favorite. One of our favorites. Malcolm, where your beef? Here your beef, Malcolm. Bring your bowl over.
Okay.
Bring your bowl over to the pot. Bring it over.
The best thing about hot pot, you can add like what you want to it.
And
or
that's
how
what it's
little or how
about.
much.
That's what it's all about.
You can like customize it and make it like a personalized own version.
That's all I like about it.
Malcolm, what about your spam?
No, I haven't had that yet.
You want it?
Is it cooked?
Yes, it is.
Cause
Bring
you
the
can
pot
have
over.
like you can have a hot pot with just like a shrimp or something, like buck choy or whatever.
It's all right, baby. They gonna burn you.
Which I want the mushrooms.
And Malcolm, did you get bok choy?
It's still cooking.
Okay. What about your green scallion?
I think.
Bring your bowl over. Cause it's hot. Okay. Okay, and that's my shrimp. Boy, that thing. It's spicing up a dinner, ain't it, Daddy?
Huh?
It's spicing up a storm.
Everyone's,
Dad, look at that Jamal.
That's one of the tongues. It's hard to get it out.
Okay, it's spicing up a storm, ain't it?
Yeah.
Daddy said, "Oh, Dad looking at Jamal like he getting his food."
Who that?
That's my
I'm trying to get the spam up there.
Jamal got your spam.
That's nice, man. We had
Oh.
one of these.
Here goes salmon. I mean, y'all can use this on lime.
Yeah,
Try
I
that.
think one. Take some mushrooms. These are
Mushrooms.
mushrooms.
Yeah.
The audience can see. The viewers can see.
Jamal was, Dad was looking at Jamal like, what is going on?
I'm trying to figure where I put the noodles.
Oh, did you get your noodles?
These are gone.
Uh-oh, Daddy. We got your other ones over here, Dad.
Huh?
The ramen noodles are here. Everybody still got one
Yeah,
ramen.
no, that's fine.
You look for the rice ones.
You guys can kind of see
What you said, Dad?
these are the beef that's rolled beef.
It's spicy.
Yeah. I think we pretty much got a little of everything. Daddy, your ball egg, did you already get it?
Yeah, I got it right now.
Oh, okay.
I guess yours at the bottom. Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't put it in yet. This is
Yeah,
spam.
either.
Okay, I forgot. Hmm?
We got to do it.
Try it with noodles. Yeah, I'll do that.
Mm-hmm. With noodles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want my beef to cook a little more. That sauce is hot.
This, what's this thing?
Thai basil.
Just too. It just tastes too strong.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like basil. I have basil in my mouth.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I think the bok choy one of the best vegetables in it.
Me, it's that and the broccoli.
Yeah, the broccoli good too.
Oh, broccoli. That's not like it reached. That thing's so far away.
It's really not bad to me.
Mm-mm.
Dad, try your fishbone.
Hmm?
Try your fishbone. You got me had that?
Mm-mm.
You want yours, Dad?
I hate it.
It's okay. Put it on your side.
Yeah, put it in.
Okay.
That's the shrimp one.
That's the shrimp one, right? Okay, the rice noodles all gone. All gone, y'all. So we got a little bit of everything else. How does it want to be?
Does one have a dumpling on the side?
Oh, that's you and Dad's.
I don't remember putting a dumpling in there.
Well, I put two of them in there.
Mm.
All right, well, I had one.
That's not good.
Well, there's 2 crab balls in there.
Oh, I had one in there.
Mm-hmm. I ain't had the dumpling yet. You know, the dumpling is cabbage and pork.
Oh, it is?
Yes. Oh, that Hussein sauce is good. You know why? 'Cause
Yep.
it's sweet.
Yeah. Sweet and kind of spicy.
Mm-hmm. That's the general tie that's sweet and spicy. Move out the way, right, Daddy?
Huh?
You know what I'm saying? Move out the way, right?
I was trying to get that. I was listening on the little tofu thing.
How you doing it, Jamal? You fit right in on how to do it.
I put it on the tongue. I don't know where the tongue went.
I can't find the crab.
What you looking for? A crab?
I had crab and tofu in there.
Dad probably got that.
What y'all did to the thing?
Oh, I found the tofu.
How is the tofu?
Yeah.
That's what I'm missing.
How
How
you
you
open
like
this?
it? Pull up, push up on it. Push up. Push it up.
I can't
There you
find the
go.
crab meat. But yeah, but it's good. Especially with the sauce.
What? The tofu? I
Mm-hmm.
don't think I found mine. And Daddy did put one in there. It's probably still swimming around in there.
Well, here goes some other piece right here. I don't know.
Oh,
Where
I
you
found
get it
the- I
from?
found the crab.
On this side over here.
You know what?
Good ones stuck together now.
Let's see what the Hossein sauce there. He right there.
What's that?
It's good.
The Hussein sauce?
This a lot of beef. I guess.
And the tofu.
How you want to use this?
It's fine
I
right
put more buck
I
choy on
put
this
my
side.
beef back in there and forgot it.
More buck choy.
Okay, where my beef?
Oh, it's in there. Some other beef.
Daddy, why all the beef? I put some of that buck choy.
Yeah.
Dad, why is the beef floating around in ours? You got yours?
Yeah.
Okay, now what you say you want, Daddy?
Put buck choy.
Okay, hold on.
You might see the little mint leaves. I think I forgot to get mine out. It's gone
In
there.
the tie.
Sorry.
Make sure I took it by accident.
Okay, Daddy, Jamal has all over here, Daddy. Jamal about to burn his hand to get to this hot pot.
I was like, it wasn't hot.
Okay, how many? 2 on y'all side?
Yep.
Okay, Dad, that's me. Okay, that's yours, Daddy.
I got one over there too.
Okay, and this is me and, okay.
And I got a mint leaf.
We got plenty of buck choy. Lord, I just ran.
I'm gonna do it with the shrimp shells. Leave that back.
Just leave it on your napkin.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what about that tray you had your stuff in?
Oh yeah, it's over there.
Malcolm, I put some in there for me and you.
Okay.
Everybody, Dad, you want your lime?
Yeah, it's not.
You
This is falling.
The beef is nice and tender. Y'all, we still have ramen noodles. Forget that. How y'all like the steak? Is it tender, Daddy? Like before we had it?
Yeah.
So you can eat it and not be worried about choking on it?
That's what it's telling you.
Oh, and that's all.
We didn't eat the shrimp. What kind of sauce I eat the shrimp with? I never had shrimp with soy sauce.
Any kind of sauce you want. That's why I got them all here.
But like, what do you use?
I don't eat none yet.
I like the fish egg, the fish balls.
I don't like them. I've been using Hussein, Malcolm, with everything so far. It's good.
Two salmon.
Yeah. It's dark.
Oh, okay.
That tofu is not bad.
Mm-hmm. And we found all these ingredients at the international market, actually.
Yep, every one of them.
But some might be hard to find if you don't have like international market to go to.
I don't know what you're looking for. Either.
Mm-hmm. So I never seen like bok choy sold in, like regular grocery stores.
They need to.
Mm-hmm.
Walmart has it.
Oh.
We have to keep the pause and then.
There's a lot of peppers in there.
Mm-hmm.
I have my noodles. Can you put my noodles in there?
Sure can.
You use a grab noodle, man.
Okay. There you go. Let them cook up. Y'all turned it down, Dada? Okay. We have shellless shrimp and we have prawn shrimp.
Let's go.
You know the shellless shrimp would be easy to put in there.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, let Malcolm have one of that kind.
What?
Well,
We have shrimp with no shells on it.
What's that?
It's like skinless shrimp. It's the grayest one right there. And we have prawns too. Everybody enjoying so far?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, thank you.
No butter try to fill you up too.
Mm-hmm. Dad, you know we have more rice noodles in the refrigerator if you want them. Sure?
yeah, so,
It's refreshing also.
How about in
Yeah.
there?
The juice and stuff.
And it's different.
Mm-hmm.
Because who don't like soup?
Mm-hmm.
No, I do.
And you can like personalize it like that too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But you don't like certain things, then you can add to it or take away.
Mm-hmm. You can stir that around now.
Go to the broccoli.
Yeah, okay.
You also have water.
Mm-hmm.
Should almost be done.
What?
At least the butt choy.
Mm-hmm. You say you want more broccoli?
Mm-hmm.
Anybody else want broccoli? I do too.
I think so.
Okay. Dad, what about you?
yeah, prefer them on that.
That dumpling is good. Can you put some, each one, give my ball egg, Daddy. I'll take that now.
Yeah, I probably mine's in there too.
And some of that, the prawn shrimp and the skinless shrimp. Okay, Dada?
I put mine's in there.
And we have mushrooms. And y'all just tell me what y'all need on this side, okay, y'all?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the,
stuff. Like,
What you want over the,
a little bit of, well, Let Malcolm get his out.
What's that? Wait, what's that? What's
It's
that?
a
over
prawn.
there? The white stuff.
And that's a crab ball. The other one was a shrimp one. What's your crab? Crab ball.
I mean,
It's just a dumpling.
okay, I'll take one.
Yeah, Daddy, one of
I
each
haven't
of those.
tried that yet.
No, you haven't. And that's the dumplings. Those are pretty good.
Yep.
You say it's turned up. I guess we just have to stir it around, huh?
But I gotta wait for it to boil.
Yeah, because them noodles are. Is it turned down?
Now,
That's
still,
so beefy. I'm just.
Just push it around.
Don't put around too much like the noodles.
Okay.
okay, get back to boiling again.
Mm-hmm. We put a lot of cold stuff in there, I guess.
Yeah.
Did you give me one of each shrimp, Daddy,
Yeah.
already?
You
Thank
say you what you want the egg?
Yes, my egg too.
Oh, what's our favorite in the hot pot?
The bok choy and the noodles.
And the shrimp.
Shrimp is
steak.
I think a bunch for broccoli. That's good.
Mm-hmm. All of it, but the bok choy is one of my favorites too.
Yeah.
And the dumplings are good too. And the sauces as well. And this is the lime. The kimchi went quite well with it, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot we asked. But let's see.
Mm-hmm. You want more? It's right here. You can get full off of this stuff, y'all.
Yeah, you can. You'd be surprised at vegetables and it's filling.
But it's them noodles. Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. I think bok choy is filling too.
It is. What y'all want to share?
Huh? What do you mean?
Yeah, well, you put them napkins back up there.
It was in the way. Knock over it. The shelf on top of mine. Napkin.
Is it? Okay, let me stir that around.
Oh, I want the butt show out. I think the butt show is done.
Okay, get it out.
Alright.
It's really to your liking.
Like cook it till you like it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, also another good thing about hot pots, you cook it to your own liking.
Mm-hmm.
Like some people like some stuff like more rare than others or more hard than others.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Not when you want to.
Now, well done.
Your beef.
Ah.
They sure still, I'm getting a lot of peppers. Remember that last time? A lot of
Yep.
peppers. Red peppers.
Yeah,
They really put a lot of that in there. Might as well use this bowl since mother put it over here.
I heard of y'all, a lot of them over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm taking out the egg.
A lot of red peppers in there.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm looking for the dumpling.
I think Jamal got the hang of it now, don't you, Jamal?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking out the broccoli.
Now, I'm not gonna put my noodles in, Malcolm, till yours is done. And
Okay.
Daddy, y'all do the same, cause they seem like they getting all over the place.
Wait,
What else?
Yeah.
when they start separating.
Mm-hmm.
One of the leave the shrimp in there right now.
I think one of the broccoli's is done too.
Well, that's my shrimp.
Oh, what's the best way to eat it? I guess the hot pot, just dip your own stuff in there and watch it and take it out when you're ready to eat it.
Yeah, yeah. Take my bok choy. And I'm trying to find my, well, I can't get nothing but to get his noodles. That's just it falling on the hot plate, y'all. That's fine. Okay, Malcolm, this is my crab ball. What about yours?
What do you mean? Oh yeah, I need. Is it done? Should be
Not
done.
enough.
So just reminders that it's hot.
Did you get your crab ball? I mean, your bok choy out, Malcolm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Daddy, did you? Oh, y'all's on y'all's side. Y'all got yours. Okay, now, Malcolm, you ready for your noodles?
Yeah.
Okay, go and get your noodles out so I can go and put mine in there.
No, you put mine in there too.
Your noodles,
The
they go on
pork
your
and
side.
dumpling is
Well,
You
that's-
said put on, okay,
No.
whatever you, if you think it's done to you,
What do you think?
depends
It's
on
done.
how you like it. You want your crab ball? Yeah, that's definitely done.
I think a little bit. I think you can sit a little bit more.
Yeah, you can.
I don't think it's all the way down.
Dad, you say y'all want y'all's now?
Yeah, you put mine in there now.
Okay, Jemima, what you?
After that, it's finished. That was
There
right.
you don't want a lot of noodles. I need my small size. Right there?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you right now. I get kind of full.
That's how it was.
I'll wait till after.
About to be in the day till you get done.
That's what I'm thinking. But they say that they're taking a while to cook.
I don't care for much for the crab boil.
You know,
Maybe it's double seasoning.
we just wanted to get a little different stuff. We never had it, so we
I
wanted
think
to.
it tastes good. I like the shrimp ball. The shrimp ball and the fish ball.
It's got a stuffing in it. Look.
The fish eggs or whatever.
Mmm.
I thought it tasted good. I liked it.
Mm. Very good. 'Cause we got more of them, honey. In the refrigerator. Not bad.
I had shrimp with the head on it somewhere.
Yeah, it's right there.
Whose shrimp is this one?
Mine. Without the head, yours with the head on.
Okay.
You miss it again, that is. Right by that thing over there. By the handle.
See, outside is organized, mine.
Mm.
Outside is organized, my dears.
No, you missing
I
it.
can't see it over
Dad
the
looked
side.
at them all like, where you going my food?
Let me get it for you.
I can't see it over the side.
Oh, the hell.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. The shellless shrimp is okay, but you know, with the shell on, give it more taste.
Mm.
You ain't had none. Yes, it tastes much better with the shell on.
Yeah, probably has the flavor or whatever.
Yeah,
Now I think they do this sometimes.
I think so
But
too.
that gets the tops.
Hmm.
Well, I'm gonna use that one.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put mine in when you finish. They take a while, Dad.
There you go.
You know why? Cause them are thick noodles.
Yeah, pretty thick.
Yeah. Put your bowl over to the pot.
I know.
Malcolm. That way it
See, mine
won't
was
fall into
thin.
the stove much.
I got a paper nugget down.
Look at here, Daddy.
Hmm?
Can you give me those shrimps? Both the other two kind. I haven't had any. And beef.
What other two kinds?
My shells over here.
Prawn?
Yeah, my prawn. After mother get his out, his noodles out. Yes, Daddy. Those are my two. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got all yours out, Malcolm? Because I can get y'all more of your noodles out if you bring it over.
Hmm?
You finished?
Yeah, I think that should be in there.
Okay.
You can put yours in there.
Okay.
It's a lot.
Okay. Takes a lot to cook.
I mean, it's a lot of noodles in general with it.
It
Stuff.
is. It is. Okay, y'all move that spoon.
Do you want spam noodles? Or is that?
You like
That's
that?
another piece.
Oh, I'll take it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna eat up my noodles.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'll put it in there.
And Dad, you put beef in mine, right? And 2 shrimp and a beef?
Oh, I think so. You'll be some. Yeah.
No, I'm talking about a beef. Daddy, look at that. Now I'm talking about a beef. No, I don't see it. Y'all ain't got nowhere to put y'all. That's Malcolm's. Y'all ain't got nowhere to put y'all's spoon. I guess not. Just leave it in there so you can stir it, huh?
Yeah.
Is that? Okay, that's my shrimp. Well, it seems to be doing so far good, huh, y'all?
Yeah.
Jamal, you could put those shrimp. You want to turn? Okay.
Yeah, I thought that seems good.
Hmm.
Yeah, that seems good.
Mm-hmm.
I guess preparation is not too bad. Especially, depends on how much you want to put in there. So it could be, you want to prepare like a quick, it could be a quick meal if you, depends on how much you want to put in there.
That's right. That's right.
The hot pot.
Bless you.
That's it.
Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that red button.
And don't forget to share with your friends and family, or anywhere else you might want to share at. Also, people who never experience hot pots, share with them also.
Try it.
Mm-hmm.
Very
They definitely
good.
try it.
And leave a comment down in the comment section.
Have you tried it? And what's your favorite things to put in it?
Yeah, let us know how you like it.
Mm-hmm.
I got another paper towel.
Y'all seen this fan? I don't know where the fan went. Did the vinegar?
Yeah, it's right there on the side right there.
Okay. Yeah. Is that?
It's over there. Right
Here it
there.
is.
It cooked.
Yeah, real cooking. Can you tell the color? Malcolm, he going back from the soup.
I don't look to be Sicily over here.
It's not gonna burn.
Well, I don't trust you.
It's not like grease. It's not gonna like pop
Well,
up.
put your hand in there.
Like actually, you know, they tell you if you cook a lot, then your fingertips might start getting burned. You won't feel it as much when you start touching the hot stuff.
Oh, is that it? I guess that's when people get burnt.
You start losing like nerves in your finger,
Wow. Don't want to get to that point.
like your fingertips.
Mm-hmm. Look at these things. They are thick as they can be.
No.
Oh, this is right here, squid.
Oh yeah, we want to try squid. Put a squid. Daddy, see if you see me a squid.
That's too far.
I seen people try those. Squid.
Well, squid look like.
Squid.
Is the
It's
pink
like
ones.
tall and black.
It's like these. That's a squid right there.
Well,
It's right here.
Then we have octopus in it too. It's like seafood melody. It's a lot of everything. Yeah, that's squid, Dad.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I know you used to fishing with them, but people do eat them.
Yeah.
And-
Calamari tastes good.
And give me some of those. What you said?
Calamari tastes good.
Oh yeah. And let me have some of that. What do you call it? Mussels.
Mostly.
They look. Yeah.
Oh.
Just put it over here, Daddy. I think all the squid gone. I mean, not squid. It was an octopus. Anybody see that in there? 'Cause I prepared it, y'all, so I know what was there. That's it. That's octopus.
But you know one of the strongest animals in the sea, like one like the strongest bites is a type of shrimp.
It's a shrimp, y'all, and not a
I
shark or
think
something.
it's called like a dragon shrimp or something,
Oh my
or a
goodness.
lobster shrimp. And it cracks open like shells with its legs or something.
Oh,
Like little
yeah?
teeth things.
Wow. Ooh.
It's good with the smell.
It
Yeah, it got
is.
some flavor to it.
With the noodles.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, that's true. And you can get full off of this, y'all. Trust and believe.
Yeah.
Don't let the vegetables fool you.
Nope.
The vegetables will fool you up too.
Have you tried the mushrooms here?
I have.
Mushrooms
Start
are
seeing
the
them.
beginning.
Well, you eat mushrooms again. You see, we start slowing down, you're getting full.
Yeah.
But I have to try my
I like
noodles.
to cook all them mushrooms.
What you say, Daddy?
That's not cold. Cook all the mushrooms.
Yeah.
I might get one more buck short.
No, eat all these mushrooms like that. He said the mushrooms are good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Don't
Daddy,
do it. It's like mushrooms, like the
Huh?
American
Yeah,
ones.
y'all some here, Daddy.
I said the Asian mushrooms will taste like normal mushrooms, like the American ones.
No, they
Yeah,
don't.
can you taste it?
That's right.
Do I want the last fish ball?
No, Daddy, you didn't want it, right?
Mm.
No, he don't want it. That's yours, Jamal. I gave you an extra one. Daddy, did you even try one?
You guys
Yeah,
can
I had
see.
one.
I'ma
This
just
is why
put,
we say like the fish
Well,
ball.
that's something.
It looks like a Hershey kiss.
One of them
I'm gonna
balls.
put peppers
Yeah,
on
it looks like a
everybody.
large Hershey kiss.
Yeah.
It does, Jamal, and it's stuffed like one too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just okay. Only thing left, y'all, is bok choy and scallions. What about scallions? These scallions are good.
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
that.
put them in there.
I
Yeah.
grew these in the garden, y'all. My green
Really?
scallions. Yeah.
I think there's a lot.
The ones without the onion on the bottom. Yeah. Sorry. And now we still have all this Thai,
All of what?
that Thai basil.
I think I just put it in there.
Yeah, I
right
put
for
no
seasoning.
baby in.
Yeah, we have a lot of it.
Oh,
Just start putting it in.
we could put some on that side.
Mom just threw them on the outside. Wait a minute, Jamal. Malcolm don't like them. Oh, Lord.
There's a little too basil, right? Eat it.
Okay, about getting to the end, y'all. About getting to the end of this party.
Coming to a close.
Coming to a close. We had this a few months ago, and all Jamal talked about when he come home, he wanted to do a hot pot.
Hot pot.
Hot pot, hot pot. Now we didn't
Mhm.
get it. Yep,
A hot pot, hot pot.
hot pot.
It's the booty, the booty.
It's the Benny, here's the Benny.
I think this is my beef, I think I forgot it.
Other stuff too.
There's a noodles, that's why.
Oh,
Look, I was
yeah.
already stuff in the butt short and noodles, stick it out.
I didn't eat my noodle. I don't think I'm gonna get to mine.
Oh, that is yours. Dad, did you get yours?
No what?
Noodles. That's yours
No,
in
my
there.
noodles in there now.
Okay, so that's your, okay. Malcolm, do you want an onion?
Huh?
Mother said, Mama. Okay. I'm just trying to remember what you wanted.
I don't know what onion look like anymore. Say so much stuff in this hot pot.
I think I put the shrimps in there, I know that. And I thought Daddy had gave me a beef. I think you did. Did you?
It is in
Yeah,
there.
you
Yeah,
did.
yes, I did.
Daddy, these noodles is a lot. I think after this gonna be it for me.
Yep, me too.
Malcolm, what about your shrimp? You didn't put shrimp in there.
No, I did before I asked. I asked the shrimp.
Did you want this one?
Not fine.
Okay.
I think that's
Okay.
good.
Okay.
I had reached my limit too for everything.
I think
Huh?
I butt your way.
Okay, I'm just getting my noodles out. You want a buck cherry?
Yeah.
What about an onion?
Okay.
Okay, I left yours in there. I still have both of my shrimps in there.
I think I took the crab meat out too early.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, you want more of my noodles?
I don't know.
Because she like,
Ooh,
I
Lord.
want my own noodles.
He still want his own noodles.
Noodles.
Woo!
Oh, butt your way.
Okay, I'm just playing. Trying to dig my
Shrimp.
yeah, if I can find it.
Probably gone.
No, it's in there. Okay. All right, baby boy.
boy.
Woo! How many buck choice?
This one. Thank you.
You're welcome. And my arm ain't tired, I don't know what it is.
I think I dumpling too bad.
Okay, now I'll take some of this juice on there.
Well, it's just hold on my dumpling. I'll eat a butt tray right now.
Okay, that's it for me. Now I'll just put some of this seasoning on there.
the fish ball is like a dumpling stuff with fish eggs or whatever.
Yeah. You know what, I'm gonna try too, some of that kimchi with the noodles.
Really? Tell me how it
Yeah.
tastes.
They say it tastes good with rice, everything. Let's see. No, like extra.
I'm gonna use this one. It's
Okay.
clean.
it tastes good. Here, mother.
You just leave it in there. I guess.
Okay, close. Alrighty. You want some? There it is. There it is.
Like the song. I thought that was what he said.
Thanks. Yours?
Say good night. I'll be a while to finish these noodles.
You tired of talking now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. On the hot
A lot of news.
Uh-huh. Lord, this thing is no.
And then for the half.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I cook mine.
Yeah, no, I said. Me mother share my news.
Yeah.
What were the noodles again? Because okay, I know it wasn't the little ramen noodle, the little.
There was some Asian noodles.
Okay.
Uh-huh. With shrimp.
And glass news, but no.
Yes. And they
Rice
thin.
noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would have been just fine.
Rice noodles.
Mhm.
Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get through all of this.
That's a whole nother meal, right?
That's a whole nother meal.
Yep. Not me.
Yeah.
Well,
for
we have
dinner
hey, that's for
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Y'all can turn that off or
Maybe
something.
breakfast or
Oh,
something.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
know. I think
Okay, leave it.
I would cook the rest of this in there.
Ooh, I am full.
I think I can eat it.
No, put it in there and let it cook.
Let it cook and for later.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause I can't eat another bit.
Mhm. If it's on the other side too.
I will. I'm gonna put some bok choy on both sides. Y'all wanna do it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're just gonna be cooking this, y'all, for later.
Yeah.
And we get hungry later this evening, later tonight,
Yeah. Or tomorrow.
or tomorrow. Okay, that's it for the vegetables. And there's a piece of noodle left nobody wanted. Save that for tomorrow
Somebody
too.
wanted.
Ooh, Lord.
That's more vegetables than salt. Water. Not water, but season.
Broth.
Broth.
Put a dumpling on this side too, Jack. And you might well separate the seafood.
No, I don't want no more of this.
Okay. Jamal like it, so
Mhm.
put it on his side. And put some on me and Malcolm's. You want this?
No.
Okay.
I think they're crab leg.
That was good fry. That's gonna settle out. Well, with Dad finished, we're gonna get ready to say goodnight.
Mm-hmm.
All right, y'all. So don't y'all forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And y'all be blessed.
Like,
All right,
comment,
y'all.
subscribe, and share. Hit the thumbs up button.
Yeah.
Mhm. And thank y'all for joining us on this family hot pot
Yeah.
dinner. Okay?
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
It's been real.
Yeah.
Please,
All right.
social
Stay
media.
blessed.
Stay blessed,
Okay.
y'all. Stay safe.
Fill in your social media if you have it.
Okay, like, comment, and subscribe, and be blessed.
Yeah.
All right, bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, fam. Thank you.